Mathematics Class 11, NCERT Book Chapter 6, Inequalities. Actually, I have taken these two questions from the old book which had miscellaneous exercise. So these are two questions 12 and 13 from miscellaneous exercise of old NCERT book for 11th class, chapter 6. So this is the 12th question. A solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding a 2% boric acid solution to it. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. If we have 640 liters of the 8% solution, how many liters of the 2% solution will have to be added? So we have 8% of boric acid solution. The quantity is 640 liters. Let us assume X liters of 2% boric acid solution is to be added. Therefore, total solution will be X plus 640 liters, which should be between 4% and 6%. That is more than 4% and less than 6% solution. After added 2% solution of boric acid, the equations should be so 2% of X plus 8% of 640 is less than 6% of 640 plus X. Because we have added X liters, so X will be added this side as well as this side. 2% of X, and here we will show 6% of 640 plus X because the total quantity will become 640 plus X. And the second equation, 2% of X plus 8% of 640 is greater than 4% of 640 plus X. So this is second equation. Solving first equation. Now I will solve the first equation, this one. So 2 upon 100 into X plus 8 upon 100 into 640. So percent of has been changed to multiplication, is less than 6 upon 100 into 640 plus X. Now we can remove 100 from both sides. So the equation will reduce to 2x plus 8 into 640 less than 6 into 640 plus x is equal to 8 into 640. So I have shifted this 6 into 640 to the left side and this 2x to the right hand side. Therefore, the equation becomes 8 into 640 minus 6 into 640 less than 6x minus 2x. So after subtraction, it will become 640 into 8 minus 6 less than 4x. So 640 into 2 is less than 4x. Now we have shifted this 4 to the other side. So it becomes 640 into 2 upon 4. We can divide 4 by 2. So we get 2 over here. Now we can divide 640 by this 2. So it will become 320. Therefore, 320 is less than x. Actually, the added quantity should be greater than 320 liters. Now, solving the second equation, 2 upon 100 into x plus 8 upon 100 into 640 is greater than 4 upon 100 into 640 plus x. Actually, in the second equation, only the right hand side has been changed. Similarly, we have cut off 100 from both sides. So the equation reduces to 2x plus 8 into 640 is greater than 4 into 640 plus 4x. Now shifting 4 into 640 to the left side and this 2x to the right hand side. 8 into 640 minus 4 into 640 is greater than 4x minus 2x. So after taking common 640, we get 8 minus 4 into 640 is greater than 2x. Now shifting this 2 to the other side, 8 minus 4 is 4. So 4 into 640 upon 2 is greater than x. Now we can divide this 4 by 2. So we get 2 into 640. That means 1280 is greater than x. Therefore, the added quantity should be less than 1280 liters of 2% solution, and added quantity x should be 320 less than x less than 1280. That means x should be between 320 and 1280. It should be less than 1280 and greater than 320. Okay, now I will solve this 13 question. How many liters of water will have to be added to 1125 liters of 45 solution of acid so that the resulting mixture will contain more than 25% but less than 30% acid content? So now this is the solution of question 30. We have 45% acidic solution, that is 1125 liters. We have to add some water to make it less than 30% and more than 25% solution. Now let us assume that x liter of water is added to the solution. Therefore, the solution will be 1125 plus x liters after adding x liters of water. Actually, it was already 1125. So if we add x, it will become 1125 plus x liters. Now, by first condition, that is less than 30%. So 30% of 1125 plus x is greater than 45% of 1125 plus 0. Actually, I have taken this 0 because when we add water, no acid has been added. So I have taken 0 for that. Now removing the 0 from the next step. So 30 upon 100 into 1125 plus x is greater than 45 upon 100 into 1125. We can cancel 100 from both sides. Now 30 into 1125 plus 30x is greater than 45 into 1125. Now shifting this 30 into 1125 to the right hand side. So 30x is greater than 45 minus 1125 minus 30 into 1125. Now taking common 1125, we get 45 minus 30. Therefore, 30x is greater than 45 minus 30 into 1125. So 30x is greater than 15 into 1125 because 45 minus 30 is 15. Now taking 30 to the other side, x is greater than 15 into 1125 upon 30. So divide 30 by 50, we get 2. So 1125 upon 2, therefore x is greater than 562.5 liters. Well, by second condition, that is greater than 25%. So the equation will be 25% of 1125 plus x less than 45% of 1125 plus 0. Similarly, I have taken 0 in the second equation also because no acid will be added when we add only water. Therefore, 25 upon 100 into 1125 plus x less than 45 upon 100 into 1125. So cancelling 100 from both sides, we get 25 into 1125 plus 25 into x less than 45 into 1125. Now shifting this 25 into 1125 to the right hand side, we get 25x less than 45 into 1125 minus 25 into 1125. So taking common 1125 in these two figures, we get 25 is less than 45 minus 25 into 1125. Therefore, x is less than 20 upon 25 because 45 minus 25 is equal to 20, and taking this 25 to the other side, we get 20 upon 25 into 1125. So dividing 1125 by this 25, we get 45 over here. Now 45 into 20 is equal to 900. Therefore, x is less than 900 liters. Therefore, 25 into 1125 plus 25x is less than 45 into 1125, and this reduces to x less than 900 liters. Therefore, the quantity which should be added of water is less than 900 liters and greater than 562.5 liters. That means x should be between 562.5 liter and 900 liter. It means it should be less than 900 and greater than 562.5 liters, where x is water.